Hi YouTubers, this is James again. Working on my wife's 2008 Scion XB. These are all the same from year to year. Blower motors become intermittent. You have to knock on the dash to get it to come on sometimes. This is literally one of the easiest jobs you'll ever do. It's much easier than the prior generation. There's literally 1, 2, 3 screws on here. You could be done out with a simple dollar store screwdriver. And the unit, if I can get it right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yes, you can. You can see the screw right there. There's one there. And, by looking at the new one, you can see the same thing. And you just take that little harness off. It's just a little pinch harness. And this whole thing just drops out. I'm going to take it out here and I'll show you what it looks like. So I got the 3 screws out. I still got to disconnect this. However, I did notice something that was kind of interesting. Toyota, man, you gotta love these guys. These screws, you can take them out with a flathead. You can take them out with a Torx 15, I believe. You can take them out with a Phillips head screwdriver, even though that's not what that's really designed for. You can see the way that head's made. It can catch for that. I'll say this is hard to get in the corner. I did wind up using, you can also use a 8mm socket. I wound up using that in the back, and you can see that's going to get in there a little bit better. Once you get it backed out, you can just most times just roll it around, just take the ratchet handle off and use this. So anyway, all this is just hanging from here. We got to disconnect this, and then reinstallation is the reverse removal. It's just that simple. I mean, it's if you know what you're doing, it's a 5-minute job. If you're a novice and you don't have a clue as to what you're doing, but you can operate a hand tool, you can do this in about 20 minutes. I hope that helps you guys. See y'all later.